we call for very good interaction between the news reporter, the news gatherer, in other words, the journalist, and security agencies. Our preference is that, one, you do unbiased reporting, and we commend those who are doing so. Three, you get our side of the story where you want clarity, and we are very available. Four, be mindful when you are covering activities that have either potential or actual breakdown of order. You need to mind about your safety. You need to be in a very good consultation with the security. Like, for example, I know he has been advising. His advice is a tactical advice that should there be a breakdown of public order, there is a likelihood that certain levels of force will be escalated. And that's when usually you hear of things like the use of tear gas. The use of tear gas is an escalation of deterrent measures against either a potentially or a rowdy gathering. Now, in the use of that equipment, you can easily become a casualty, either as a rioter or even as a journalist, and at times even as a public order management officer, in other words, a police officer. When there is a breakdown of public order, the potential to get, the chances of harm are spread across all actors at the scene. Policemen can get hurt, the rioters can get hurt, including the journalist. So, that's why you see the police officer is putting on a helmet. So tomorrow when we tell a journalist, when you are going into those areas, put on a helmet. It is a clarion call for safety. When we tell you, stand in this, or stand this side, not the other side, we are speaking to safety. It has nothing to do with what you are going to write or read before the public. We are not influencing your story. We are interested in your safety. Because even if you stand behind the lines of security, it does not change your submissions in the newsroom. So we are not influencing you, but we are taking interest into your